Hi, I'm Kaitlind Frazier. I'm an assistant project manager, and I've been with Keller for 6 years.
Hi, I'm Cristina. I'm a site engineer for Keller Geotechnical in Oslo, Norway for about 1 year and 3 months now.
I got into engineering and construction my senior year of high school. I took an intro to engineering course and found a lot of interest in civil engineering side. So I went to North Dakota State and got my bachelor's degree in civil engineering and did a focus in geotechnical. So then when it came to choosing a career path, I explored the construction versus the consulting side of things and ended up going with the construction side after finding Keller, then Hayward Baker, and decided to pursue that. And I've been with Keller ever since I graduated.
When I was about 14, I decided to go to a technical high school, specialized in constructions. And after that, I have followed the university in civil engineering and a master's for 2 years in geotechnical engineering in the Technical University of Cluj-Napoca in Romania. I would say because I know there's not many specialists in this field, so I really wanted to do something in constructions, and I choose the geotechnical field especially because it's very challenging, it's very dynamic, and there's a lot of uncertainty, I would say, below the ground level more than in superstructures, what I actually did for my bachelor.
The best part of my job is definitely the people I work with. They make it fun, they make it interesting. What I like about working for Keller is just the large network of people and shared resources that are available to us. If you have a question about a certain project, someone across the country might have experienced something very similar. So you always have that opportunity to reach out and get advice. And because it is a large company, there's opportunity to grow. And if you want to move across the country, there's always opportunity to transfer.
It's very dynamic, so you don't get to see two projects that are exactly the same. Everything is really different, everything is really new. You get to work with people from different backgrounds as well, and you get to learn a lot of everything, I would say. And the sites are simply challenging, and also the situations you are finding yourself in are quite challenging.
My favorite project at Keller has probably been when I was a field engineer on the HATS project, which was the installation of micropiles on the hillside to support new helipads. And every day I got to ride up to the job site on a helicopter. So that was a really cool experience. The most challenging part of my job, probably just staying organized and staying on top of multiple tasks at hand. You're always juggling active jobs, but also estimating. So just keeping on top of all of those things. My hope for women in engineering in the future is that, one day we are no longer the minority in engineering. One day we won't be seen as women in engineering, we'll just be engineers.